Guys, I'm introducing myself firstly. I'm Khalid Rahman, an assistant teacher of Zubniwara High School. I'm an English teacher. You see that I'm an old man. Now I'm near to 45, but I'm also learning spoken English. Why? Don't I know English? Yes, I know English, but I was not able to speak English fluently. Before the time, before coming to our Dukusa, I was able to write, but I was not able to speak English fluently. Why I should learn spoken English? Because I have understood the necessity of importance English. I went to the foreign country. I was in Singapore, and I have worked in different sectors in private institutions, suppose textile mill, non-government organization, NGO, and different private school, and different sectors. I have understood. I have seen that English knowing people are demanded all over the world in different sectors. If you know English, if you learn English, you will be able to get a good job after completing your education. If you know English, you will be able to get a handsome salary after getting your job. If you know English, you will be respected in the society, in your family, in the state. Everywhere you will be honored. Everybody will respect you. Do you think speaking English is very easy? No, it is very difficult. Because in our society there are a lot of educated people. They know English, but they can't express in English. Why? Where is the problem? Because they are not in the habit of speaking. We have to practice if we want to speak English. If we want to express ourselves in English. In different sectors, in different institutions, actually English knowing people are demanded. They have to give a handsome salary. If you know English, you will be able to contact with any kind of foreigner. You will be able to get any higher position in abroad. Guys, I think since you are a student and your brain is now sharp, if you try to learn the spoken English, you will be able to speak English fluently. It is very easy for you. You see that I'm old. My brain, my memory has destroyed in different problems, family problems, society problems, institutional problems. I always stay connected with different kinds of problems, but I try to learn something new. Though sometimes I forget. I always try. So please carry on your study. And since your brain is sharp, you will be able to be a great speaker. I think you will learn more than me, because your brain is sharp. In this era of globalization, the English knowing people are an asset. You know that in our society there are a lot of educated people, and they face unemployment problem. They face unemployment problem. After having the academic certificates, they are not getting the job. Why? Why is the problem? Because they don't know English. Even they can't write. There are 4 skills in English: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Our students are nowadays learning English for passing the exam. This is the problem. We should learn the English. For applying in our practical life. If you want to apply your English knowledge in your practical life, you have to learn the 4 skills. You have to achieve the 4 skills. That means listening, speaking, reading, and writing. If you want to improve your listening skill, I think you have to watch movie. You have to watch the English news, and you have to use the internet. You have to take the help of internet. Then I think your listening skill will be developed, and then if you want to increase your speaking skill, then you have to speak. You may be wrong at the time of speaking, since you are a new student. You may be wrong at the time of speaking. Please don't give up your practice. Yeah, at the time of speaking, if you can speak, if you can express yourself without maintaining the grammatical rules, if you can express yourself, then it will be okay for the spoken. If you can make others to understand what are you saying, if other person can understand your speech, then you are a perfect speaker. So please don't give up your practice of speaking. Yeah. Firstly, I think you need to be a speaker. Firstly, I think you need to select a partner with whom you can practice. You can practice with your family members, with your father, with your mother, with your brother, with your sister, or with your friends, out of family, with your friends, with your teachers. You have to speak. You may be wrong, no problem. Please carry on your speaking practice. Then you have to achieve the reading skill. Every educated person can read, but if they can't understand, what they read, can we tell it the reading skill? No. If we read something, we have to understand. If we read something, we have to understand. Please try to read and try to understand. To achieve the reading skill, you have to achieve your reading skill. I think you have to read the English newspaper, English story, different kinds of literature. I think you have to study. Then writing skill, I think it is very easy. If you can be expert in listening, speaking, and reading, then writing is very easy. Writing will be very easy for you. Dear students, since you all are students, you have enough time, you have no family obligation, you have no responsibility. So this is the great opportunity. This is the great opportunity to learn the spoken English. Since you are coming to the Worcester Academy, and I think in our Sherpa district, Mr. Dokusa, he is the perfect English teacher, because there are many kind of English teacher in our Sherpa district, but they are not the perfect spoken teacher. I have got a lot of teachers, but I have understood that their pronunciation is not correct when they speak in English. Their pronunciation is as like as the student. Their pronunciation is not correct.